Let's analyse this one. Hi everyone, this clip highlights the dangers again of maybe letting people out when you don't really need to. I'm not saying that you should never let people out from side roads. There are times and places where it would be good, but generally if the traffic in front of you is flowing, you should really keep moving yourself. So this so-called let out caused the rider to not be seen properly by the white Audi SUV, but honestly the cyclist did ride poorly. The cyclist's poor position when they wanted to turn right was the main contributing factor in this accident for me. You imagine if they were out near the centre line at this point. Do you think that would have made them more visible to the white Audi? I'd also like to point out that there was no right arm signal from the cyclist. And if they had have done this, the white Audi driver may very well have been pre-warned. Instead, this was a big surprise. At the end of the day, the cyclist is crossing traffic and needed to take a lot more care. I'm not sure how badly injured the cyclist was. I do hope he's okay, but there is a concern from my part, the lack of wearing a helmet. Although it's not illegal, honestly, don't go anywhere on a bike without one. Now, what could the white Audi driver have done differently? Well, if you're thinking not much, I'm going to disagree straight from the off. The white Audi can see the cyclist here. So when they've needlessly let the black car out, they should be thinking, where's that cyclist gone? Which they obviously didn't. Was the cyclist in the A-pillar blind spot? Definitely. And was the Audi driver moving in the seat enough to see the cyclist? Obviously not. Cyclists have very little protection around them when they use the roads, and we all need to do our little bit from each of our own perspectives to stop incidents like this from happening. It's also important why you've watched this video, because now you've got that information so you can do your bit, if you don't do already. Keep safe. I'll see you soon.